Do you want to make videos on the Wi-Fi? Do you want to be the next hit like, I don't know, pick one. I'm here to help.
This is satire. I ain't taking credit for your scams.
Step 1, profile pic. Image is everything. Women back me up here. But the profile pic cannot be you. Here are some options if you're a dude. A cartoon of you, a different type of cartoon of you, pic of your branding or something from it, cool emblem of your branding or your name. You can use your face if you're a dude, if you're a comedian, you're a musician, an actor from Lockdowns, political figure, a reaction channel, or anyone from Generation X or Boomer and up. If you're a chick, these are your options. A professional photograph done of you, a pic of you lying on something, or just a pic with cleavage. Step 1.2, an intro to get someone's attention. There's your basic intro. Hey, welcome to my channel. Common interacting statements. Morning. Wacky burst of energy. Start with a question most people have or about the video topic. Do you want to make videos on the Wi-Fi? Something random. Or just talk like you're at an AAA meeting. Hi everyone, I'm Cockles. Step 2, get sponsors and put them at random points of your video. Don't have one? Link a payment service where people can donate to you. Step 2.1, merch. Play it cool, say shit like, just drop some sick merch, got a cool hat here. It is valued at $10, but you guys can go to my online store website, pick it up for a whopping $45, discount code, give me your money, and you'll get 1% off. Check the description. Step 3, pick a format for your video. Find out what format your platform is promoting at the moment. Currently, YouTube is trying to compete with TikTok, so shorts. You can tell by the number of views on my videos. Also, live streaming started getting popular with lockdowns. Step 2.2, put as many ads in your video as possible. Yep, your audience loves it. It keeps them invested. The uproar about the whole adpocalypse thing is what we would call now misinformation. Plus, apparently, you can make money off it. That's money you can put into paying entitled Schmidt streamers. Ah, that reminds me. This video is sponsored by...
I don't know, what are you doing with your life where you have hours of time to watch Twitch and not $5 to provide for the content that you're watching?
$5 a month.
Step 3.2, utilize your bio. Put stuff like, I don't know, every single social media link you have so people can watch your every move, and also a website where people can buy your stuff. Step 3.3, clickbait title and thumbnail. Also in the thumbnail, put big font, not clickbait. That reassures the viewer that it is not clickbait. Currently in the 2020s, something over the top or memey. Just mention part of the title if you get too clickbaity. For example, how to make money on YouTube would be a great title for this video. Step 4, post it, connect with your audience, be famous. Find out what your audience likes. Mention something about a team or our team. Make a tier list. So you can categorize the serious fans from the greedy ones. Oh yeah, and you have to say this. Prior to leaving, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. Any video. Retweet, post this everywhere, review this, tell your mama, click right here, check out this recent video. What's that? Make sure to donate to my Palpy. Please check out my Please Fund Me, my Venmoa, my Patreon, and literally anywhere else. I really need money. I'm serious. Right now. I don't want to get a real job. Oh yeah, and I guess you can make a video about something too. Not too necessary, just find out what's trending and give your 2 cents. And even if it's the same as the other 400 videos on it, that's cool. Hey, reaction videos are fun, I guess. Here's some bonuses for when you get started. If you have any hot takes videos, make sure to turn off the comments. There's no reason for debate, or to be jumped by viewers with mean comments or comebacks, especially if you're right. That's all that means. Turn off the comments. Also, if you have to, guilt trip.
You have $10, truly. If you don't have $10, you probably don't have time to watch Twitch because you should be working. You should be trying to earn money. It's not a ton. It's not like a ton of money. So being like, I'm broke, I can't afford to sub, that doesn't really track. What you mean to say is, that's what that is.
It's $5.
It's like a little push of encouragement. You can also mention algorithm somewheres. Talk about how your channel isn't getting the traction it used to. And have yourself a great night.